All my bird lovers, welcome to Paradise Park Aviary. These are my own birds. I catch them last night and I separate two female canaries for one of my friends. Today we are going to visit his aviary and I'll show you guys what his setup looks like. I also got one pair of diamond doves that I'm going to take to my friend's house with those two female canaries. Here we are, guys. Now we are at my friend's house and this is what his aviary looks like. He built this aviary in 2016 and it used to be just a rectangular shape, and a couple months ago he extended the backside and made it into an L shape with this nice patio seating area that you can sit down, drink your coffee in the morning and watch the birds singing and enjoying this beautiful view. And you can hear the green singers in the background. Okay guys, now we are inside the aviary and I forgot to record the part that my friend was releasing the birds, but we still have one diamond dove left inside the cage. Now we will release him inside the aviary. It's not gonna be too much different for these birds to be in this aviary because it's very similar size with mine. It's just the shape is different. And this is what me and my friend we built inside the aviary. 3 cascade waterfall fish pond. It looks just amazing, guys. Here he got some nice nest boxes for golden finches, and this is so cool, guys. Look at it. This is a canary built a nest inside a wire mesh box. That's so cool. Some of the golden finches like more privacy, and these 2 nest boxes right here are perfect for those golden finches. And got a little entrance area. They've been giving so many good babies. And now you guys can see those 2 female canaries that I just brought them over. They're perching right next to the golden finch. They look a little bit shy right now, but there's not much difference between this aviary and mine, so they will do fine. And this is from outside of the aviary. I would like to put my phone down so you guys can see it. I really like how that back wall turned out with that greenery. He used to have 2 queen palms over here, guys. You can see that he cut it down, and on the top he kind of make a nudge that the birds can lay eggs, and you see how the diamond doves are on top of that queen palm. And now we can see the golden finches are eating right now, and you can also see how the birds are flying from this area to that back area. And whoever wants to be under the shade, they can come to this side. It has a full cover, but there's still sunshine coming through from the side. Guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your loved ones, subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you and God bless you all.